Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to 4 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this one from the right with settings, so we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down and focus on the photo settings. Here we have the grid option, so by using this button we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines, like that. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see them. And as you can see, it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. Of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the settings in the right corner, then tap on this button from the right, slide again to the photo settings and tap on this. So for now this is turned off and the grid lines have gone here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.